Hello guys, welcome to our Medcart CMMS system video tutorial. So we are finished in equipments, contracts, spare parts. So this is our last time tutorials, and our next tutorial is making work orders. As you remember, if we go to equipments, we have also a work order. For example, this equipment 125. So we have here a work order. Just press it. We can add also work order here. But if we add a work order here, the equipment is automatic. We know already what is the equipment here. So as you can observe, no equipments are shown here. We have already only the assigned and the description of the problem and the priority contact number. Because we click already the equipment name to the grid. So if we can see this one, equipment 004, this is now our equipment already. So if it has a problem, we just click this item or our equipment and we can make a work order for it. So we can add it. Now we can have a new work order. So let's go back to the work order module. So we can add work orders. As you can see, you can select equipment here and who is assigned to, and tell the description of the problem and the priority, contact number, and the work order type. So that's the difference. As you can see also to our module, we have a search barcode also and select work order type. So is it training, inspection, or repair? We can sort off. We can click also the button here if you're looking is new and in process or the close one. So these are our buttons. In our grid, we have also the barcode, the equipment barcode, and the priority. At the right side, we have also the status of the work order. Is it closed, in process, closed. And also we have the function button also. We can edit the work order and we can delete also. At the bottom of the title of our grid, we have the date of the work order, type of work order, the description of the problem of the machine, and also the status. So if we will try a new one, so we can add a new work order. Let's say the equipment 001 has a problem. We will assign the beam staff of 001. Let's say please fix, and then the priority is medium. Let's say this number is inspection. Now we have already a new one. So it's here already. Now if the biomed has already go to the equipment and he already checked the equipment, he can tell the action taken. So the biomed will edit the work order. So what action taken did he do? So you just say repaired already. How The labor cost, let's say zero, because you already repaired inspection. So we can tell if it's in process only, you only just check, but not already repaired, not repaired yet. So we can tell it at the action taken, checking, and then we will update. So take note, we just press also first the update work order, then just click the in process. So we just save it, update work order, and let's click the in process. Did you update your work order? Yes, we update already. Now our work order is in process already. So as soon as we fix already, we will just click again the edit button, and we will just update the work order, and we just finish work order. Did you update your work order? Yes. Now it's closed. So we can see all the close in process, and now the new work order have gone already here. And if we click the work order grid, we can see all the details of the work order. Now it's closed. This fix prepared already. Okay. And I think this is all now the work order module. Thank you guys.